So when I started seeing news that the government is going to send out stimulus checks, which I think is a wonderful thing, I think that will be the difference between someone making it and not making it for many Americans. But when I saw that notice go out, unfortunately, the first thing that popped in my head is how many scam artists are now going to come out of the woodwork to prey on people who are scared about losing their home to foreclosure, their credit card debt, getting benefits under certain programs. We really saw this happen, or I did at least, because I've been doing this a long time. I'm a dinosaur in bankruptcy land. But when the crash happened back in 2008, the loan modification scams were horrific, and I had so many people coming in, some people that lost their homes because of these scams. And so, not to be negative, but I feel like they're going to see people are going to have some money, and they may try to take advantage of folks, especially seniors. And so I'm really hoping that if you're watching this and you have older family members, friends, or just someone in your church, make sure that you're watching out for these folks. If let them know if anybody approaches them that you'd like to look at the information. But we really need to be careful, because this is when the sharks come out. People don't need to pay for these services. And with that said, one of the things our law firm has decided to do when we can all be back in the office, which hopefully we're shooting for the date of April 15th, for the next 6 months, and we're going to post this on our website. We'll also post it on Facebook. But we're going to start hosting once a week sessions where folks can come in. It's free. There's no gimmick. But folks can come in, and if they need help reviewing loan modification documents, if they need help reviewing any kind of an offer, something that maybe they're not really sure about, we're going to be more than happy to sit down with folks and review and let you know what we think, and hopefully point you to any resources if you need them. I'm very blessed to be in a wonderful community, and I think our bankruptcy bar, and those are the attorneys, both creditor attorneys and debtor attorneys, who really work together well. And I'm already seeing folks in our small community starting to do things to pitch in. And yes, even though we're lawyers, we're not doctors, there are ways that we can try to help. And so that's one of the ways that we're going to try to help. And if folks have any questions about anything, you can please, you can reach out to us. My information is below. So if you want to send me an email, I'm happy to, take a look, give you my opinion. But I really hope that folks pay close attention, especially again to their elderly family members, to make sure that they're not getting taken advantage of. Because what I can see happening is the loan modification scams are going to coming back. And they're going to do the same thing. Oh, if you pay me this amount of money, it'll probably be right about what their stimulus check is. If you pay me this amount of money, I can do this with your loan. I can do that with your loan. And then a lot of times nothing ever happens. And by the way, there's nothing that these folks do that you can't do yourself. So we're gonna, like I said, we're going to set up, hopefully we can start April 15th, but we're gonna start setting up weekly clinics. There'll be pro bono clinics, and we'll be here to offer some free assistance for folks in the community if they have questions. And we please, like I said, if you have anything that you get that maybe doesn't look right or whatnot, please reach out to us, because we wanna make sure that, people aren't being taken advantage of. If you have any questions about bankruptcy or about just what's going on or any of the programs, by all means reach out. We've also, on our website, we now have a page where we're trying to keep it updated in terms of things that'll help you stop foreclosure, not bankruptcy. Yes, bankruptcy will do that, but there are some things folks should do before they actually come to us for their services. Because for many people, this is just a temporary bump. And you just need to get through this, and life goes on. So anyway, make sure you check out our site, and if you have any questions, let us know.